How to log into your Netgear router. Step 1. Open a web browser from a device that is connected to your router's network. Step 2. Enter http://192.168.1.1 in the address bar and press enter. This will take you directly to the Netgear login page. Step 3. Enter your router's username and password. If you haven't changed them yet, the default username is usually admin and the default password is password. Step 4. You're now logged into your Netgear router. From here, you can change your Wi-Fi name and password, update firmware, and much more.